Hello and welcome to our Advent dance tutorials. Today we're going to do a little bit of flamenco. Flamenco is a beautiful dance from Spain, from Andalusia, Seville. And it's just so beautiful. And we do some beautiful arms and beautiful upright positions. And our arms, they want to turn and do all these sorts of wonderful things. But today we're going to focus on one simple step. It's a 1, 2, 3 step, because we're going to lift with the leg for 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, to do it justice, we want more flavour than that. So what we're going to do is imagine like we've got some string on our tummy button and we're going to pull it back through our back. So it's coming from here all the way through, and as we do the one with the knee lift, instead of actually lifting the knee, we're going to pull the tummy in. So we're going to stand on our back leg as we lift for 1. 1, just like that, and 1. I'll do it from the side. 1. So all you need to do is leave your leg nice and loose, and 1. And 1. We do this sort of thing in quite a lot of different genre, this principle. And on the other leg, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now we do the 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So literally it goes up for 1, down for 2, replace. And then we're going to pause as we take our weight onto our other leg and we go up for the next one. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see my arms are naturally sort of doing a marching motion, but with flamenco I want to do some nice arms with that. So I'm going to turn them over. So bring it forward, turn it. So thumb is going from out, facing you, coming in towards me, coming in, and you can make it beautiful. Imagine like we're holding a light bulb or a nice egg, like this, gently in 2 fingers, in a thumb and finger. So we're going to come in, 1, 2, 3, opposite, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there we go. And we want to be focusing on those shoulders being nice and far back and chest up and head up. We want to feel super proud and awesome as we do this motion. And generally, I don't do lots of different variations of that. We don't do flamenco all that often, so we just focus on a basic step when we do it. I hope you had fun and see you very soon.